Yeah, you know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast. Welcome to the feast. My whole team off the leash. We don't know defeat. Everybody eat. Ay, you know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast. Welcome to the feast. My whole team off the leash. We don't know defeat. Everybody eat. Ay, you know I'm a beast.
Can I run up the score, run up the board, breaking the mold? Ay, ay, walking the door. You know what happened? We step on the floor.
Hello traders, this is Rich with Breathingwiththemarkets.com. Today is May 26, 2026. I hope you did well in the market. I hit the market hard today. A little lazy scalping. It is what it is. It's a day after Memorial Day. I know the majority of you didn't trade yesterday because you were told that there's no liquidity in the market and to stay out of the market. It's a half day. You were given all of these reasons not to trade, and that only affected one person, and that's each individual trader. That's right, each individual trader. If you can't trade, stay out of the market. It's pretty simple. If you want to push buttons and gamble, stay out of the market. If you want to learn how to trade, come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com. I back my trading up. I trade in front of students, mentees, other traders, whatever you want to call it. I trade during the sessions. Sometimes I show my trades live. It is what it is. I have nothing to hide. Total transparency. It's a skill. If I want to blow up an account, I'll blow a fucking account up. I want to blow 5 accounts up, I'll blow 5 up. I do whatever I want, when I want, and how I want. I'm a trader. I can't unsee the market, right? Once you see the market, you cannot unsee it. If you practice and practice and practice, it becomes easier and easier and easier. Let's go ahead and get into today's results. Here we are on Quantower with Take Profit Trader. The first account up here, 1688. First account up here ending in 3986, 1,688 for the day. Account number 2, see if I can pull that up. Account number 2 trades down here, 1,515. And let's see, account number 3. Let's see here, 1353, go to 1353. There it is, pounded it up here to the north side. And here's the other trades. So basically I've already reached 3,190 on this count in 2 days. You can see it. Here's day 1 over here, day 1, and then day 2. 2-day pass. I understood where I was at in the market. It's not gambling. 2-day pass. I already passed this one here. It's just a flip day. I already made 3,076 on that. These 2 accounts up here, 2 pro accounts, 1688 and 1515. So it is what it is, right? Let's go ahead and get into the performance. Here's the performance today on the 2 pro accounts. Trade P&L, $3,230, $27 in commissions, and the net P&L is $3,203. Trade count 54, winning trades 43, a 79.63% hit rate. Again, 79.63% hit rate. I did not lose 20% of my trades, traders. That is wrong. I didn't lose 21% of my trades. That's wrong. I was green on all my trades. So for the day, we have 1705 plus 1524 plus 1066, $4,295. So we have $4,295 for the day. 1 day after Memorial Day. Is liquidity up, traders? Are you supposed to be in the market? It's pretty close to the holiday. You see, all of that's bullshit. The actual market is an algorithm. Stand by, I'm going to show you something.
Stock market's rigged. The United States stock market, the most iconic market in global capitalism, is rigged. By who? By a combination of the stock exchanges, the big Wall Street banks, and high-frequency trading. Who are the victims? Everybody who has an investment in the stock market.
Michael Lewis isn't talking about the stock market that you see on television every day. That ceased to be the center of U.S. financial activity years ago. It exists today mostly as a photo op. This is the stock market that Lewis is talking about, the one where most of the trades take place now, inside hundreds of thousands of these black boxes located at more than 60 public and private exchanges, where billions of dollars in stock change hands every day with little or no public documentation. Trades are being made by thousands of robot computers programmed to buy and sell every stock on the market at speeds 100 times faster. You can blink it up. The system's so complex, it's all but invisible.
If it wasn't complicated, it wouldn't be allowed to happen. Complexity disguises what is happening. If it's so complicated you can't understand it, then you can't question it.
And this is all being done by computers.
All being done by computers. It's too fast to be done by computers. Humans have been completely removed from the marketplace.
Fast is the operative word. Machines with secret programs are now trading stocks in tiny fractions of a second. Way too fast to be seen, or recorded on a stock ticker or computer screen faster than the market itself. High-frequency traders, big Wall Street firms, and stock exchanges have spent billions to gain an advantage of a millisecond for themselves and their customers, just to get a peek at stock market prices and orders a flash before everyone else, along with the opportunity to happen.
Insiders are able to move faster than you. They're able to see your order and play it against other orders in ways you don't understand. They're able to front run your order.
What do you mean front run?
It means they're able to identify your desire to buy shares in Microsoft and buy them in front of you and sell them back to you at a higher price. It all happens in infinitesimally small periods of time. Their speed advantage that the faster traders have is milliseconds, sometimes fractions of milliseconds, but it's enough for them to identify what you're going to do and do it before you do it at your expense.
So it drives the price up.
So it drives the price up, and in turn, you pay a higher price.
What's the headline here?
Stock market's rigged. The United States stock market, the most iconic market in global capitalism, is rigged.
Traders, is there any part of that video you don't understand? Come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com, where real traders trade, where real people learn how to trade, because it's going to separate you whether you actually want to learn how to trade in the market or you want to gamble. This is not a gambling community. I don't like gambling. It's not a gambling community. If you want to go to Vegas and gamble your money for fun, that's fine. If you want to play around in the market for fun and gamble, that's fine. But if you want to be serious, you can't say you're a trader and you want to be serious if you're set out to gamble. So don't mix the words up. But what part of that last little video clip don't you understand? The fucking stock market is rigged. But you want to follow order flow. You want to follow highs and lows. You want to follow order blocks. You want to follow ICT, you know me, smart money concepts bullshit. You want to follow that, don't you? Because 99% of the people are not profitable. 99% of the people don't even have a skill. But you want to follow that, right? I show you day in and day out what a skill will do. Add your fucking leverage to that. Add your leverage, add your 20 accounts to the 4,200. What would that be? $90,000? $80,000 in the morning, right? Who's doing that? Repetitive. Over and over and over again. Are you banned? Are you limited on buying? Do they shut your shit off? Do they treat you differently than all the other traders? You see, prop firms want people to lose. That's a fact. They don't really even have a live program, right? They call it live, but what is it? You can take your own money and dump it in your own account and not have to pay 10% on the dollar when you're successful. It's almost like the government, right? If you invest and you make capital gains, when you take a loss, you can only lose like what, $3,000 a year, claim at least the minimum or max $3,000 a year, or over year after year, depending on how much you lose on your investment. That's nothing. But when you gain $100,000, oh no, capital gains. You see, no one wants to risk their money. The banks, the IRS, and everyone, all of these institutions have a game plan, and you're not part of it. You want to sit there and follow fake gurus, Lamborghinis, Rolexes, eye candy, vacations, boats, all of that. A cheeseburger tastes the same. Your favorite pizza place tastes the same, traders. Just learn how to trade and live better, be better, learn how to trade the right way, and your life will change. I am here to change one life at a time. I'm not here to hold your hand. I'm not here to listen to you weep and blame everyone else but yourself. That's not where this place is at. This is not what my mentorship's for. My mentorship targets each individual person and their trading desires. If you work, I work harder. You work more, I work harder each and every day. When you get comfortable, I'm going to push you outside of your comfort zone and make you a better trader. Yes, you have to apply it. Yes, you own your wins and losses. Yes, you own your skill. But I'm going to push you outside of that comfort zone because you don't know what I know. All of you don't know what I know. You don't know what I'm capable of doing. I haven't shown what I'm capable of doing. It doesn't matter to me. I am pushing traders to be better and better each and every day. That's my goal. So what doesn't matter what level you're at, I'm going to push you to be a little bit better than yesterday, a little bit better than last week. And that's going to keep compounding. And the better you get, the easier it gets. Come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com and I will teach you one-on-one. So if you don't believe me, that's an algorithm, and all of your order flow, your indicators, all of that shit's all full of shit. You don't believe it? You'll keep losing your ass, and that's your problem. Come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com and I will teach you one-on-one. I will show you how the market operates. I will show you how to attack the algorithm. It's us against the market. It's me against the beast. And guess what? The beast lost again. The beast has more money than me, but the beast doesn't have a better skill than me. I guarantee it. I can back it up. I can beat the shit out of that market each and every day. It's just the leverage. The market has more leverage than me. That's the only problem, but that problem will never go away. You see? That problem where the market has more leverage than us will never ever go away. That's why you need a skill in the market. I hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Peace, traders.